Hello, what's up guys? Welcome to the new video. Here we have 99 cube. So how you will find the cube of 99? You can solve it manually, but it will take a lot of time. But you don't have to use the calculator. Sometimes in the multiple choice questions and in certain type of exams, so you are given such kind of questions. So in such cases, you don't have enough time to solve such kind of questions because the manual calculation is going to take a lot of time. And if you multiply 99 by 99, you get the answer. Again, you multiply by 99, so it might get a lot of time and you may run out of some other questions. So what is the easiest way to solve such kind of questions? Let's suppose here we have 99 cube, and 99 cube can be written as 100 minus 1 whole cube. We know that we have the formula a minus b whole cube, and that is equal to a cube minus b cube minus 3ab multiplied by a minus b in the bracket. So we are doing the same, and this is a, 100 is a and 1 is b. So 100 cube minus 1 cube minus 3 into 100 into 1 into 100 minus 1. We know that the cube of 100, it means double zero. 3 times double zero, it means 6 zeros. So this is going to be 1 million minus 1 minus 3 into 100 into 1, that is 300, and this is 99. So subtract 1 from this and you are going to write 999 minus 300 into 99. So let's suppose 300 into 100, so that is going to be 30,000, and 300 less than 30,000, that is going to be 29,700. Now you are going to do the manual calculation. So write this number and minus 29700. So 9, this will be the same. 9 minus 2, 7. 9 minus 9, that is 0. So 9 minus 7, again 2. And 9 same, 9 same. So 970299. So this is the final answer. Thank you for watching this video.